What's up, guys? It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Oze Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to copy your product link on Pinduoduo and send it to whichever places you want to send the product links to, okay? But before we get to the practical started, guys, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe. And also, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content, you get notified and you watch the video, then you learn one or two things as far as this video is concerned. And then lastly, but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach people on how to be a self-importer, that is an importation you do without using an involvement of any agent. You chat supplier, pay direct to Chinese supplier without any stress. So if this is what you are looking for, you can feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. So let us talk about the premium class. And also, if you will like any one of our services as far as importation business is concerned, we can pay your Chinese supplier in RMB, and we can as well procure your link from 1688 or Tahoba or Pinduoduo. So whichever way you are interested in one of our services, feel free to reach me on WhatsApp or you call me direct via the phone number on the screen. So let's get started with today's practical video. So the first thing I'm going to do, as you can see on the screen right here, I'm going to access my Pinduoduo app right here. All right, so I can scroll down, still loading. The app is still loading. I'm not clicking on anything. The app is still loading. Okay, so I can scroll down and see more products. So the app is fully loaded of a lot of products that you can't even imagine. And one thing about this app is that you can procure a single product, and then here you don't pay a local shipping fee unlike other platforms. And also you are eligible to chat with supplier for a further discount as far as any product is concerned. Okay, so now for you to copy a product link, this is what I'm going to show you right here in the Pinduoduo app. So all you have to do, let's say for instance I need to copy this rich word product link. So all you have to do is to click on this link right here. So I'm going to click on it now. So you click on the product link, it's going to open up in another interface. You can see the rich word here is very much boom. And one other thing you can see here is you can see the product demonstration video as the supplier are trying to explain what you're going to get from the video. If you want to watch the video, just tap on the video. It's going to open up fully. And also what we are interested to do here is to copy this product link right here. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap on this icon here, this icon that points to the top, the arrow icon that points to the top. Just click on it. So I'm going to click on it now. So when you click on it, it's going to present you to this segment. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this icon here. So I'm going to click on it. So when you click on it, the link has been automatically copied. So it can now go to my WhatsApp and paste the link there. Okay. So you can click and hold down, then paste. Boom. Now for you to confirm if this product link is actually what you copy from Pinduoduo, all you have to do is you can just click on it again. It will automatically load and open up on Pinduoduo app. So let's see. It's still loading. Boom. So you can see this is the products. So you can see from the top here. So this is how you copy product link and send it to whatever place you want to send it from Pinduoduo to other places. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.